Yo, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do things a little bit different. I'm gonna take you guys with me into the shower.
What the fuck?
I know that sounds a little weird, but no worries, nothing weird. I'm gonna just show you how I wash my hair. This is a method that's worked for me before in the previous set of my locks when I only had the high top. Now I'm doing it all over again. So it works for me. It's a method that I think is one way that you can get locks without having to go and get your hair constantly twisted and constantly having to twist your hair, because that's just damaging your hair and just weakens your hair. And then at the end of the day, there's gonna be very, very thin locks. I like to have them very thick, very healthy and strong so they can last forever, you know? If you were to see on my previous videos, on my other update videos with my last set of locks, you can see they're very thick because I let them do their own thing. Without further ado, we're just gonna get right into it. No more talking, and I'm gonna show y'all how we do this. All right, so here we are. Yo, before we even start, please spare me. I know I need a haircut, but I haven't seen my barber in like 4 months. Spare me, please. But yeah, so we're just gonna get started here. We're just gonna turn on this water. I'm gonna make sure to just saturate my entire head. Just make sure the water just goes all throughout your whole head. Also notice that I'm not really touching my hair too much. I'm just trying to like let the water run on it and let it just flow downward. If you try to like play with it too much, you're just gonna like ruin the locks that are already trying to form. It's just gonna start breaking up and just turn back into regular hair. So all I use is a Monet black shampoo. So I'm gonna just go ahead and just lather everything first. All I pretty much do is just, as you see, I just go in a rotational motion with my hands, and the bundle of the knots just goes in a circle and just like locks itself, as you see. And then I just constantly do that, and then that's all I do. That's how I wash my hair. And doing that is just making the hair super nappy. It's gonna tangle it on itself. It's just gonna just be a whole mess. You're gonna look like a mop for maybe like a month or two, but it's okay, because the end result, I promise you, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. This is all I do, and that's exactly how I wash it. And I just make sure I do that at least 2-3 times. And yeah, spare me. I pretty much missed like half of my head on this part. I really was trying to focus on the video, so I did wash my hair twice just for the video. But when I'm actually washing my hair, I wash it 2 or 3 times just to make sure that I got everything. I give everything a nice little rotation. But yeah, I just do this. You don't have to be as vigorous as I am, because I'm a different savage. I don't understand why I roll my head so hard and aggressively. But you can go a little more gentle and, you know, get into your head. Make sure you actually clean your scalp. That's very important, because an itchy scalp is no fun. So make sure you scratch that scalp. That's pretty much how I wash my hair. And if you guys enjoyed this video, if you learned anything, please drop a like. Don't forget to leave a comment. You know, subscribe. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching, bro. On to the next one. Peace. Full disclaimer, this works for me. This is just a method that I'm sharing with the world of how I'm able to do locks on my head. So if it works for you, cool. If it don't, it's not my fault.